Okay, I'm taking this from the bedroom balcony with the hopes of showing you the proximity of the pool, and now we're facing towards San Carlos. Zooming in, you may be able to see a boat or two. And now I'm panning around back the other way. The backyard, and coming around, and now you can see down to Punta Barco. And now I'm going to pan around again, and you can see lot number 3 and the home in lot number 4. And now you can see the proximity of lot number 3 that's vacant for $5 million with the house.